Hello guys, this is Uncle Longbeard speaking and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome for the first time. Do you remember this bike which is shown right now? Well, that's not mine. But actually I've got really similar one, which is this one. Bit nasty. Yeah, I know it's got a sidecar, but sidecar I'm using with different bikes. So anyway, I was left with this bike. And even the motorcycle on that pictures look brand new, because it is brand new. It's kinda ugly. I absolutely hate how the Electra X Royal Enfield Electra X look like. It's ugly. So I decided to customize it. And I started doing exactly that in a video like half a year ago or something. The link is in top right corner right now. And I've never finished. I'm actually slowly working on that bike, and I've recorded many videos in the meantime, but I've never ever put it together. So here we go today. I hope you will enjoy the video. Today we are going to the garage with my new worker. Cheap workforce. And we will be working on some bikes. Not this one, though.
So as with every other job, we start with a cleanup. Beautiful filing system. Fantastic.
Yeah, I look good.
Disgusting. Stay tuned.
You want
not
onesie?
Not my type. Today we will show you how to install light in a motorbike. Beautiful 1 horsepower. Bit disabled horse, but still.
And now I'm taking the bike out because there is much more space outside, and the bike looks exactly as I left it in the last video. So what we did, we actually replaced the bearings in that wheel. That's the original wheel. Let me show you that. Really skinny one, 19 inches, and the one here is the same size as in my Kawasaki W800, 130. That's the tire which will be here. And I hope the bike will look good with that.
No, it won't.
I think it will. Don't be brutal. It's almost brand new bike.
Almost. Makes a difference.
I will show you later how it would look like with the fender and everything. O, bo ono jest w złym miejscu w ogóle, nie? I tylko przeszkadza. Dobra, ujebię go całkiem, a potem będziemy myśleć. Potem będzie problem.
Idzie.
So we did nothing actually. No, we actually stuck at some point, but actually we've got all the proportions as it should be almost, and I know what I need now, and I think that will be good. It looks like that from this side. The wheel is like that, and then this side. So that's all what we did with Lucas. We wasted mostly all day for measuring and looking at the bike if it looks good, and then we were missing a few bits to finish the job.
Yeah.
So
that should be good.
I went back on another day. Hello everyone. It's a tough day in the garage. We've got a heat wave, 30 plus degrees, and here in the garage is probably closer to 38. I'm still cutting out bits and pieces from that Enfield, so it looks worse rather than better. And now I'm going to get rid of that. I'm sorry. Yeah, who needs that? No one. Now I have to clean that
and I need to be able to clean the swing arm, because I had to weld something into the swing arm, and that's it. Yeah, you can see I cleaned this bit, I welded this bit, so slowly getting there. New shock absorbers, and yeah, and then we will fix this. So, to work, back. After the whole day I did almost nothing. No, but actually I fixed this and that and that.
And honestly, I don't think I'm the best welder ever, but look at my welds. And on the right you've got original Indian ones. Somehow I'm proud of myself.
The seat is coming here, and that's about it. So
as the seat comes here, I've called it a day. And then I went back on another day.
here we are. Actually, there is a mess again. That's how I work. But actually what I did, except everything else what I told you, I spray painted the frame to protect it from rusting. And I need to finish this rod and also the seat, and yeah, start to putting it together, because it could work soon. Actually, worst bits are over, it looks like.
It potentially could work soon, really, but I bought another bike. Yes, there is another full episode about me buying the bike, so go back for that. But now it's even more difficult to work on my Enfield, because there is not enough space. There was never much space in this garage, but right now it's... Anyways, let's go back to work.
That's the thing I'm working on. I've got those boxes, but I don't like them. Thing is, this looks better without it. But I don't know with the breather. In older Enfield, the breather was here, but not anymore. So anyway, bit ridiculous. Okay, another day, another small progress. Doesn't look like progress, but there is a progress actually. All electrical things are bolted to the frame, so that's good, and it's all working. Side panels are cleaned and painted inside, and there is a party in the next garden. Those are painted inside. This is painted. It's not perfect, obviously, and that's painted. So that is not perfect. However, we are really close now. Electrical system is working, and I can look at that. It's alive. The only thing is that the fuel which is inside is 4 years old, so I want to replace the fuel first. And I won't do that today, and I will do that next time. So next time probably I will start the bike. That's my plan. So till the next time, see you all.
Yes, exactly, see you all guys. But in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave me thumbs up, and what's more important, share my content and leave the comments. That's helping me a lot. Thanks guys, cheers.